guys, Voinski, and tonight we are making keto sausage and peppers. So here are the ingredients that I use for this. I use a mix of the premium Italian sausage. Right here I have spicy, and I also have sweet because my kids will eat this and they like the sweet and I like the spicy. So that's what we do. We'll have that. Bell peppers. Today I only have green because that's what ShopRite had, but you can use any bell peppers you want. I like to normally use different colors because it helps make it really pretty. And I use, and I, see, they like the sausage. And I use cherry tomatoes in it. I have 1 onion, we'll see if we need more, and some garlic, and I'll also be using olive oil. So I'm gonna cut up the peppers, cut up the onion, and then cut up the garlic, and then I'll show you how I kind of put it all together. And right now the oven is preheating at 375. Okay, so I have sliced up the bell pepper, sliced up the onion. I just coarsely chopped the garlic. I don't like it super fine. I actually like to get kind of a little bit of chunks in it, but you can do it however you want. Again, we have cherry tomatoes. I usually use a whole thing, but that's just what we have left, so that's what we're using. And then we have the sausage in here. And a little pro tip, because I'm making mixed sausage, I left the spicy sausage whole, and the sweet sausage I cut in half using kitchen scissors. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna kind of throw everything on top. And first we'll start with just some onions, spreading them around. We like to fill in all the areas, and as everything cooks down, it's going to seem like there's a lot of stuff on here, but as it cooks down it gets smaller, and we might not use all the onion, but we'll see here. And these are just yellow onions, just with the bag of them. And we are going to also put salt and basil. In the summertime I have fresh basil from the garden, but we're not there yet. It's not time for that. So, and again, we just kind of throw everything in here, and it cooks down, and it's really, really good. We're gonna cook it at 375 for about an hour, 15 minutes. You could probably cook it on a higher temperature, but I find that this works really good. And then we're just gonna kind of shake those all in there, mix them around, and then put some more peppers on. Can never have enough. Owie. Oh, that's Benny. You want an onion, Benny?
There's no more cherry.
Okay, so I put the salt and the basil on top. And now the reason I do the cherry tomatoes is because some people make sausage and peppers and they use really sugary marinara sauce. But really, once you tent it with the aluminum foil, the cherry peppers will pop and they'll kind of make their own little tomato sauce. And it's really, really good. Lots of olive oil. This is just regular olive oil, not even extra virgin. And we're gonna mix it all up and tent it. Okay, so pulled them out. I actually kept them in for longer than an hour and 15 minutes. I probably did like an hour and a half just because I wanted them to be a little bit more brown. But I'm gonna flip it around, show it to you, and then probably plate it for my kids and show you what that looks like. Okay, so I sliced up the sausage. I put some grated parm on top, and I'm super excited to eat it. My kids are already eating theirs, and I will try to do the macros as best I can and throw that in for you. But I know it's a lot of fat because the Italian sausage is higher fat to protein ratio. Everything was cooked in olive oil, and I don't worry so much about the onions and the peppers and things like that because they're good for you. So, okay, I hope that you guys liked this video. Hit the like button if you did. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of all new videos coming out.